product reviews on your websites. Now, one of the tactics that all these drop shippers are talking to you about when creating your Shopify store is to add social proof and product reviews to your store. Now, if you're on Shopify, there's some plugins out there you can put on your Shopify store that import from AliExpress to your website. Some of them are free, some of them are not. Now, I'm guessing because, like before, I don't really use Shopify, right? So I had to find an alternative. So the alternative that I found was placing widgets on my website using custom code to import my customer review. The first one on the list, right? And just to give you an idea, of how it looks. This is, let's say this is your product page, right? For the Apple AirPods, and there's 29,000 reviews, right? And this is a way that it'll display on your site. These are all reviews based on the website. Now they got this is a social kit. The link is down below. So this is the way that the reviews will display on your website. The only downfall about social kit that it's not really free. Okay, so with social kit you get a free forever plan, right? Displays 5 widgets, but there's a limit of 3,000 monthly page views. Why is this a limit? Why is this against us? Well, if you're paying ads and you are scaling your product, you're gonna tap out pretty quickly on these 3,000 monthly views, especially if you're getting 1,000 views a day. Yeah, at the end of the month, you won't have the widget displaying and it shows it's broken. So that's the only downfall to the free plan. The starter and the business kit, which is only $10 a month and $5 a month, you get 30,000 views and 60,000 views. Again, the only downfall to using this product right here is that once you reach your page views, you're gonna have a broken website. All right. Moving on to the next one. Elfsight also provides a free review widget. You can see right here, it's a widget for one website. And again, there's only a limit to the views you could get. This is usually, you want to use this for when you're starting out. Because remember, you want to make money from the get-go. You don't want to start investing money, right? We here in the same boat. So again, if you use this widget, remember that after 200 views, your site's going to be broken. You won't see the reviews down there no more. You can either get a blank page or not displayed, or they have the basic, the pro, and the premium plans with up to 100,000 views. Good, bad, maybe. But remember, you're paying for this. $20 for reviews. I don't know, give or take, maybe copy and paste, right? This is a Social Blade again. Add lots of reviews from Amazon, from eBay, from Etsy, but I didn't see any widgets that I could use from AliExpress or using Amazon and so you could use Social Kit, embed it to your website and get the Amazon reviews on your website. But again, there's a limit to using the Social Blade kit right here. All right. The other one, which I spoke to you before, was justreview.co. Again, the link is down in the description below. It pretty much works the same way. This one here in particular, I kind of like it, but I kind of dislike it because I have to copy and paste the AliExpress reviews to my Facebook page that I use for marketing. It's just time consuming. That's why I have a virtual assistant to do this. But anyway, the good thing about this one is that you could post up to 100 reviews on your website and it's not based on the views. So if you have a high traffic website and you're only using Facebook, this is a good example. With the Plus, Pro, and Ultimate, $9, $19, and $39, you get 20,000 reviews and all the connectors, 10,000 reviews and 1,000 reviews with 11 connectors. And the cheapest one doesn't have the important one, which is, our source, dropshipping source, right? Only the expensive one has AliExpress. I really wish they would move AliExpress this way and probably get, I don't know, Yelp out of the way. The next one is Judge Me. Now, Judge Me has widget post your reviews on your site. See, they have the floating review tab, the all review, right? That looks kind of like Google here. I'm sorry, that looks kind of like Amazon here. The Facebook review, all sorts of little gimmicks. Like this one, what is that? Take reviews to Facebook with your own custom review tab. Oh, never mind. Showcase the quality and quantity of your reviews with Judge Me medals. Hey, that's pretty cool. So now let's check out the pricing plans on this. They have a forever free plan, $0, unlimited review requests, automatic installation, photo and video, review carousel, email reviews, which is when you could email somebody a product and put your reviews on your email. Now, there's a course that I'm selling that talks about emails and sending those random anonymous visitors an email, and you can put your review on that email. And so that's another topic. But check out the course down below. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. And just to finish you guys off, this is a free and it's compatible with your Shopify store and it's totally free. Now you go with a $15 plan, it's drag and drop email editor, and there's more stuff to judge me than it's just the review, but it is something you could use on your website, especially if you're using those free website builders and stuff. If you're using Wix, you could import the code from here to there, and it's anyway. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe.